Are you a content creator on Instagram and you want to grow your page?
So in today's video, I'm just going to discuss about
Three different methods or three different steps through which you can actually grow your Instagram account and you can reach more and more people. And also you can get more and more followers. So these steps are actually organic. And if you're following these steps, you will definitely grow your Instagram page. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
So the very first method or the step is to identify your type and your niche. So in the very first process, we actually need to decide which kind of content we are going to post on our Instagram page. Suppose I'm a blogger and I want to post my personal lives on my Instagram feed. So Instagram will identify the audience, which kind of audience are actually liking my content. So it is necessary to identify or to decide the niche of your page so that the Instagram can target the right audience for your right content. Second method or second step, to be active on Instagram. It is not important or compulsory to post every day on Instagram. But yes, you have to make a calendar or a schedule through which you can actually post something on Instagram regularly. It will engage your audience. So if you have a lot of content to post every day, you can go for the everyday scheduling, or if you don't have the content for every day, you can also schedule for 2 days a week or 1 day a week as well. So basically you have to be active on Instagram. It will actually increase the engagement of your audience. Last but not the least, third, at least boost a one post in a month for your Instagram growth. Basically, Instagram provides you a feature through which you can actually promote your post or reels by paying some amount of money to Instagram. It will not only engage your audience, but also it will give new audience towards your page, and it will also help you to engage more and more new audience.
So these are the three different methods and the steps through which you can actually generate more and more audience, and you can actually acquire more and more audience in the market of Instagram. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.